we're gonna be crushing cans without even touching them. So in this video, we're gonna be doing a very interesting experiment, and here are the materials. So, we have a bowl of cold water,
A pen?
And something to hold the can.
and last but not least, an empty can.
That's an anti-G.
Is it? Oh, it's gonna be empty soon enough.
Go drink it fast. Come on.
So first we gotta fill the water inside the can. Not too much though.
Pour the water inside the bottle can. We don't use the pan because it won't boil.
Langsung.
So, as for our experiment, here are the results. So, this is Julian's, this is Hugo, this is Jordan's, and the best one of all, mine. Now, you're probably all wondering, how did this happen? Well, it's quite simple actually. This is a basic theory of Newton's second law, which is unbalanced pressure. Now, when we boil the can with water in it, the pressure inside of the can and outside are the same, so it doesn't really have any reaction. But when we suddenly plunge them into the water, in the cold water, the pressure inside the can is very small, and the pressure outside of the can beats it. So here is the result.